Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 lip colors from Queendom Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start with Star. This is the one I have on now. It actually smells really good. It goes on very smooth. It has a lot of glitter in it. Let me I'm sorry, hold on. Gotta get over here. Let me come in close so you can see it good. Hold on. Can you see all of the can you see all of the glitter? Like, isn't that amazing? Multicolored glitter. I love it. I really do. I would definitely do this as an everyday color. You can also do it with a look. Like, you see I have a dramatic look going on? You could do it with this also. So that you're not too extra, because I already have a lot going on. The eyes, the earrings. Color 2. Hold on, I'll be right back. And friends, it is the winter months. Be sure to moisturize those lips. Moisturize them, scrub them, so that you can get the best look when you apply these products. Pretty lip gloss on top of chop up dry lips is not going to work. Moving right along. So the second color I have is called Sandra. Let me bring it in close for you. So Sandra is like a natural pearl. Let me come in closer. So this is about how much lip gloss I apply. It's a pearl color, so if you want more pigment, this is a type of lip gloss you have to play around to apply. If you have multicolored lips like I do, if you have a lot of creases, in your lips like I do, you can also use this as an everyday look if you wanted to. Let me turn down the light so you can see it a little better. Shine bright like a diamond. That's how I feel. Shine bright like a diamond. It's also very smooth application on the lips. This product definitely does have staying power. It has the ability for long wear without having to reapply. And I think it all depends on what you do. I'm pretty sure I could eat a whole meal and my Queendom Cosmetic lip gloss will still be on, friends. Moving along, let me turn the light back up. Okay, so, ooh, that's too much light. Ooh. This is Cassie. Do you see the color? It's very pretty and it has like a pearl. So it looks like it gives off like a yellow iridescence within the peachy pinkish family. This one is really thick and rich. Yep, definitely. The consistency is a little thicker than Sandy and Star. Very smooth. Look at that. Hold on. see the shine? If you're interested in getting this color, head over to queendomcosmetics.com where you can get all of these colors. Thank you for watching my video, and if you're interested in knowing how I got this eye look, follow me on YouTube at Miss Swank. So corny. I don't know why I keep doing that. Bye. Don't forget to turn on post notifications and subscribe to my channel.